Hey friend, you've made these amazing digital products. So what's next? Well, making your files easily accessible and even editable to your customers after they purchase using Canva and Google Drive. Let's jump into it. Okay, so first you want to create a thank you note or a message for your customers. And if you struggle with what to say, ChatGPT is your friend. I typed up something pretty simple, but if you want a heartfelt thank you note tailored to your unique shop, then just provide more details in your prompt to do so. After you've ensured that it's perfect for you, let's copy the text by clicking the clipboard on the right here. And we're going to paste it right to Canva. Now that we're in Canva, select a text box and paste your message right inside. And from here, you can just align it to your liking. You can also change the text, the size of the text, and the color of the text, and just align the paragraphs the way you want them to sit on your page. You can also change the color of the page as well, as I am going to change mine into white, as you can see here. I've added a cute little thank you graphic, and down here I've added a cute little download symbol, and that's where the link will be for customers to access their purchased file. So what you want to do is select a text box and just type in what you want it to say. Or you can just use Minds and size it as you see fit. Now, what I am going to show you next will allow your customers to edit their files from you. So what you want to do is simply click on the project that you are selling, click More, click Template Link, and copy this link here. You can select the text or you can just click the purple button, but sometimes to make sure, I just copy the link. You are going to go click home and go right back to your letter. Click this box here, click the three prongs and click link. And now this lovely box, you are going to enter that same link that you have copied and you are going to hit enter, or you can select it right here. And as you can see, it says link added, and now you are done. Once you have the perfect thank you note and added your editable link, it's time to bring some life to your thank you message by adding your shop business name or a logo and a few designs. And as you see here, I've selected a pretty floral background, and I'm just going to move my thank you graphic over here in the corner, and I've added a little picture in the left hand bottom corner here of what I am going to be selling, and you can do the same as well. And I'm just resizing and making sure that I like the way that everything is sitting on this page. So after this, all you want to do next is basically situate everything the way you would like it to look. And if you want, don't be afraid to grab you a download symbol and place it above your link here. Okay, so now you want to download this as a standard PDF. And once you've downloaded it, view it and make sure you like what you see. And we're going to scroll down here at the bottom and test out this link. And your customers will click this link and there will be a box that pop up, and we're going to click open, and voila, your customers will see this page here, all ready for them to edit. So you may want to include that they may have to have a Canva account to edit this template. So just make sure that you include that part. Now what's simply left is adding and uploading your file to Etsy. So you want to go ahead and choose your file, select it, open, and voila, that is all. You've added your thank you note attached with your selling file that they can edit on their own, and you can add up to 4 more files. Next, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same thing, but this time with Google Drive. Now, for each product, I do swap out the pictures just so I can know what is what. And here I'm going to be selling a different digital product, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did to the last letter that we made, just with a different picture. As you can see, I am copying, and I'm just going to paste the same design. If I can get it to copy and paste, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Copy, paste, copy style. Okay, perfect. Now the link that we will be placing here will be a Google Drive link, which is something that we will have to get from Google Drive. And in order to do that, you are going to download the file or the digital product that you will be selling, either as a PDF standard or a PDF print, or whatever file that you need it to be downloaded as. And after that, we are going to click on Drive, Google Drive. From there, you are going to click Upload. And once you see your lovely digital product, you are going to click those 3 dots and click Manage Access. And from here is where you can manage all of the access to this file. So what you are going to do is click this little arrow all the way until you get to the end. You see that blue check mark right there where it says restricted? Well, you are going to select anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can either view, comment, or edit. And if you want someone to only view it and not edit, you would leave it at view. Since we want someone to edit it, you would just simply click editor. So it's up to you guys. So now anyone with the link can edit. Now here is where we would click up at the right corner right here in that little oval and select the link. And you would simply just add your link to the text just how I showed you earlier. Now we would do the same process and download our file, save it as a PDF, and now we will test out our link to see if it works. And we would just click on it, scroll down, and click here to access your file. And it looks like it's working. And this is what they will see. I hope this helps you guys. I am supporting you and rooting for you in your endeavors with your Etsy shop or whatever you guys are doing. And if you really like this video, because I had so much fun with this, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I am so here for you, okay? This is our year and I'm still sticking to it. Thanks guys. Subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.